17 days of coronavirus quarantine, escape at last. Carrying only hand luggage, the British passengers stranded on the Diamond Princess cruise ship in Japan are finally heading home.
Day of the flight home. This should have been the last time we slept in this big, comfortable bed. Hopefully this is my last breakfast in Japan.
Hello. Are you all packed?
Yeah. Oh no, not yet. We've got a long time yet. So.
For more than 2 weeks, Alan and Vanessa Sanford haven't left their room. An evacuation flight will bring them home on Saturday, but not to freedom, to 14 days more quarantine.
I think I might struggle a bit more with this second lot of 14 days.
What's worrying you?
Well, just that you can't get on with your life, that everything's on hold. And you also feel, but I've got this certificate that says I'm negative for the virus, and nobody on the aircraft is going to be anything other than negative for the virus. It just seems excessive. But I do understand as well that people are nervous about having people back in the country.
As the British get ready to leave, the once bustling ship is now almost empty.
It's like the Marie Celeste.
Totally empty. Cabin fever has set in.
Oh, here's a good one on the crossword.
Go on, I really love a crossword.
Three across, 10 letters, begins with a Q.
Quarantine!
So this is the accommodation we have here.
This facility on the Wirral is where they'll spend the next fortnight. Evacuees from Wuhan also stayed here. One sent this message to the passengers.
Don't be worried, you're going to a fantastic place. I won't lie, it is going to be boring at times, but, if you can sort of interact with others a little bit and, use the entertainment systems that you have, the time should pass pretty quickly.
More than 600 people on this ship contracted coronavirus. Efforts to stop it spreading failed. And around the world, this virus is testing countries' abilities to contain it. In South Korea, 2.5 million people have been urged to stay at home as authorities try to control a surge in cases. With more than 200 confirmed infections, a health emergency's been declared. So even as some are leaving a former coronavirus hotspot, the virus is tightening its grip elsewhere.